Everybody loves a Taco Tuesday, but here's a twist. Korean beef tacos. Gingery, garlicky, sweet and savory flavors, all in one taco. And Asian pears look a lot like apples. Now, you want to know what goes well with Asian pears? Ginger, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, fresh pepper. Wow, this smells so good already. I'm using chuck roast for this, and I love it. It's gonna cook down, it's gonna be super tender, and it's gonna be melt in your mouth. A little salt and pepper, and it's as easy as that, heading over to the multi-cooker. Pressure's on. I just bought myself a little me time. If I want my sister to come over for dinner, all I need to do is let her know that I'm making Korean beef tacos. This is such a crowd pleaser. But these tacos are not complete just yet. They need a little crispy and crunchy garnish with a sweet and tangy dressing. Rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, honey, salt, and sesame seeds. Wow, this smells good. And look at this, the beef is just falling apart. It's so tender. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. I think my sister's running here already. Oh my God. Now you don't need to dirty another bowl. You can do this right into the cooker, but I just wanted to show you the shred. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Can't even wait a minute. This is so good. I love that rich soy and garlic and sweet and spicy flavor. It's taco time. I like a little peanut for crunch. And I told you this before, I like hot sauce. But you put as much as you like. Hey, don't tell my sister I'm trying this without her. Oh my God. That beef is really rich, with all of those nice ginger and garlicky flavors, but it's cut with that nice acid and tangy dressing in that slaw. This is hands down one of my favorite tacos ever. My sister's gonna love these.